Yo YouTube, there's that headset I was telling you guys about. It's finally here in my hands. I just got done shredding boxes. As you can see, I got this from Amazon in the mail and whatnot. And here is the Tritton headset that I was telling you guys about. So let's first take a look at the box, see what the capabilities are. It's a wireless chat headset with instructions and stuff in other languages. And you can simultaneously, there you go, pair your PS3 with your mobile phone. So you can be using this microphone to talk to your friends online, and then if you get a call on your phone, you can easily switch to your phone. So you can have it paired up with your PS3 and your phone. Pretty convenient. And here is the inside. You can see what it's going to look like. We got Bluetooth 2.0 technology, a flip out boom mic. You can use it on either ear, noise reducing mic, easy to use integrated mute button for your privacy, very convenient, a docking base, and you can switch between online gaming and mobile phone communications, and a 30-foot range, so that's pretty good. So I'm going to open this up and I'll show you guys it in a little bit more detail. And I'll also be comparing it to this other headset that I had, the first Sony PS3 headset. Not the second one, but the first one. Alright, so let me open this up. Alright guys, I got everything out of the box. You can see that it comes with a power cable, the docking station, the mic of course, and some instructions on how to connect this and how to use it. And it shows you what all the buttons do. There it is, you guys can see that. But basically your main buttons here are the volume up, plus, and volume down, minus. And you got your muting button right there. And the power button is right next to the volume up. It's under that sticker. I'll take that off later. And this microphone, actually, you can see the little hinge right there. It folds in and out. When you fold it out, this microphone will turn on and connect to your PS3. So you can actually turn it off from the button itself, or you can just close it and it'll disconnect, and then open it back up and it'll connect. So that's pretty convenient. And the earpiece looks like it has a rubber tip on it. You can take that off, and you can also switch this earpiece around, so if you want to use it on your right ear or your left. And it pretty much has all the same functions as this other one. You know, you got your mute button, your power button, volume, and the other volume button. And this one also has a 30-foot range, just like the Tritton. So they're pretty much almost like the same functions on both headsets. I'm going to be using this one for a while, and then I'll be able to tell you if it's any better than the Sony one, which I don't think it's going to be better. For a Bluetooth headset, the only thing that matters is that you're able to hear your other teammates and your opponents. It's not really about the game sound, because you don't actually get that through a Bluetooth, you just get that through your TV. But I like this headset because it's white, has a cool color, and a pretty cool design to it also. It's going to go greatly along with my DualShock. So I'll use this mic for a while, and then I'll be able to give you guys a good review. I'll just post it in the description, tell you guys how it works and if I like it. So thanks for watching. See you guys around later.